Welcome to City Realty Radar. Today, we're zeroing in on Pune, a city that's not just growing, it's really setting a new benchmark for India's entire office market. So, let's dive right into the key numbers and trends that are putting Pune squarely in the national spotlight. Okay, let's start with the sheer scale of this thing. By the middle of 2025, Pune's office stock is projected to hit a massive 106 million square feet. I mean, just let that number sink in. It's the foundation for the city's incredible growth story. And to put that into perspective for you, Pune alone is going to command somewhere between 10 to 15% of India's entire office stock. So, we're not talking about just another regional hub. This is a market with true national importance. So, the market is obviously big, but the real question is it healthy? Let's get into the stats, because they show why Pune's market right now isn't just growing, it's growing in a really smart and sustainable way. You want to see the first sign of that healthy growth? It's a focus on what matters. A staggering 76% of all office leasing in Pune happens in green-certified buildings. This isn't just some niche trend, folks. It's the dominant force in the market, plain and simple. And this deep commitment to sustainability, well, that's exactly what major global companies are looking for. For them, a green-certified workspace isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a requirement, and Pune is clearly delivering on that front. This demand for quality green space is also fueling steady financial growth. We're seeing healthy rent increases, about 1.5% year-on-year and 1.2% in just the last quarter. It's a sign of a really robust market that isn't overheating, but is just growing consistently. And boy, is the market active. Gross leasing is projected to break records, blowing past 10 million square feet this year. And what's fueling this? A massive pipeline of over 15 million square feet in new supply, with a remarkable 90% of it being grade A and A+ quality. This isn't just growth, it's a major flight to quality. So, with all this activity, where exactly is the opportunity? I mean, where are all these deals happening? Let's pull up the map and see how the city's key investment hotspots are really structured. You can really think about the market in two distinct zones. On one side, you've got your core, or preferred areas, the established prime locations. And on the other, you have the emerging, or scale plays. These are the areas with huge potential for large-scale development and future growth. So, your established hubs, the core areas, include those well-known centers like Kharadi, Nagar, and Talegaon Park. But the emerging hotspots, the ones offering serious scale and future growth, we're talking about places like Hinjewadi and the Hadapsar-Mundwa belt. This whole geographic layout really sets the stage for what's coming next. So let's take a look at the powerful catalysts that are already shaping Pune's next major wave of growth and pretty much solidifying its future. So what's really fueling this future growth? Well, it boils down to two powerful forces, a boom in global investment and some absolutely transformative new infrastructure. One of the biggest signals is the boom in global capability centers, or GCCs. In just the first quarter of 2025, leasing from these global giants more than tripled. This growth is being driven by key sectors like engineering, manufacturing, and IT, which shows this massive confidence from a really diverse range of international businesses. And this confidence is being backed up by some serious capital. We're seeing city-defining mega projects like Millennium Towers and a truly staggering 192 billion rupee investment from Capital Land. These aren't just buildings, they are physically reshaping Pune's skyline and its capabilities. All this momentum builds into a really clear timeline. By the end of 2025, we're expecting that record-breaking leasing volume. Then, by March 2026, the new Metro Line 3 becomes operational, and that's a total game changer that's going to dramatically enhance connectivity and supercharge growth even more. So, when you combine a real commitment to sustainability with massive infrastructure projects and diverse demand from all these sectors, the picture becomes crystal clear. Pune is cementing its position as a true leader in India's commercial real estate landscape. And that leaves us with a final thought to chew on. With all these powerful forces at play, the green buildings, the global investment, the citywide infrastructure, is Pune not just growing, but actually setting the new standard for what a future-ready office market in India really looks like?